And there, we're gonna destroy this cute little car. Okay? Let's do it.
Hold on, I am fixing the cameraman. Fixing it. Okay, this is a perfect view.
You called this one. You're always late when you throw it. You're gonna. Oh god. Here,
Perfecto.
still that one. If you can't find your other ball. Okay.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Didn't do a thing.
Wow.
Good.
Whoa! Whoa!
You just threw it on the ground.
It's a froggy!
Wow.
It's awesome. Okay, let's do it again. You call it this time, Brett. Call it.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
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 Hey, found some wheels. Good as new. Oh, look at the cords. Whoa. There's like a flippin' skeleton coming out of there. Whoa. Those are like electronic stuff.
No crap.
Oops.
Are you some kind of stupid or something?
Yeah, let's do it one more time.
One more time.
Call it again.
Okay. Where's my ball at?
Here. Call it again. I'm gonna run off the station.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Then what?
No. Ready? Get the camera and watch me.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's see, you're out there. Oh! That's the Nintendo 3DS. I got it.
Yeah, it broke a little bit. Dude, that ball could have popped. You know that?
You could've?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That would have popped all over. Oh, scheisse. Okay. No, Brett. Not right here. Okay, right?
There it is, right there.
See if we can hot wire this.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Take this cord off, put it right, put it right here. Then this, wrap it around. Just like this one. Around the cards. And voila! Your new race car. Okay, that's the end of our magical thing.
Presented by Jack Stormar and Brett Spencer. That's camera.